Welcome to Order Delivery Date Pro. Let's quickly walk through how to get started and make the most of your delivery setup. If you've completed the setup wizard, here's what's already been configured.
Delivery weekdays, business hours, time slots, minimum delivery time, order type, delivery or pickup, plugin license.
You can revisit any of these settings from the plugin dashboard later. Now that your initial setup is complete, let's walk through a few important areas to make sure everything's working exactly how you want. To make sure everything's working, head to your checkout page. You should now see a delivery calendar where customers can choose their preferred date and time. To personalize how the delivery calendar appears on your store, head to the appearance settings.
You can change the calendar's language, date and time formats, and even choose the starting day of the week to match your store's region.
Want to style the calendar to suit your theme? Pick from 24 built-in themes or adjust how many months are shown, color code the calendar, and display availability per day. You'll also find options to control the delivery field labels, placeholder text, and where the fields appear on the checkout or cart page, all from the field appearance section. If you're using the new WooCommerce checkout block, delivery fields are fully supported there too. The delivery schedule created during the setup wizard is available here under the Delivery Schedule tab. You can edit the existing default delivery schedule or add new delivery schedules based on shipping methods, categories, postcodes, products, and more. To block deliveries on public holidays or special days, head to the Holidays section. You can add a single holiday or a range of dates like a long weekend or a festive break. Just enter the date or date range, give it a name, and save. Those days will be disabled on the calendar, and customers won't be able to select them at checkout.
They will also appear in the color you have set in the backend to clearly show they are unavailable.
Let's say you offer local pickup and want a different delivery schedule for it. For example, pickups only on weekdays between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. To do this, go to the Delivery Schedule section and click Add Schedule. Set the condition to shipping method and choose local pickup. Then define the available weekdays and time slots, just like you did in the wizard. When a customer selects local pickup at checkout, this delivery schedule will automatically apply, replacing the default schedule. Now let's see it in action. Go to the checkout page and select any regular shipping method. You'll see the default delivery calendar. Now switch to local pickup. The calendar updates instantly to show only the pickup days and time slots you defined.
You're all set. Explore more features anytime, like same day and next day deliveries, delivery charges, track deliveries via calendar and backend, export deliveries in real time to Google Calendar, delivery reminder emails, and much more. And if you need help, our documentation and support team are just a click away.